So Google have finally given us annotations in Search Console, which is an amazing thing. I've been waiting for this for a long time. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through why you should use them, when you should use them, how to use them, and the times when you definitely don't want to use them. A wise man once wrote that SEO without proper tracking is just guesswork with a fancy name. Now that wise man was me, and I share that because going forward, tracking results as an SEO has become a lot easier. In the past, after we make some implementations, we would have to mark it down in a spreadsheet, a project management tool, or a calendar note. And then months ahead in the future, when we get the results in Search Console, we would then have to cross-reference those dates to see what caused our traffic to either go up or down. But now, Search Console's given us annotations on the graph, which means that we can see everything in one place. All we'll have to do is look at the traffic peaking or dropping, and then look at the annotations prior to that to make the correlations. Now, the time to use annotations is anytime you make a change on your website that could potentially affect your traffic. So let's say, for example, that you've just published a bunch of pages, or maybe you've removed some pages, updated some pages, or made some changes to your code. Maybe you're improving your page load times and your core web vitals. Whatever the change is, like restructuring your URLs, whatever it is, that's the sort of thing you want to be noting down in your Google Search Console's annotations. So to add an annotation, all we need to do is go into Search Console and then click on Performance in the left-hand side. Once you're in there, you've got your graph that shows you all your traffic, and you just want to find the exact date that you want to leave an annotation on. Right-click on that, click Add Annotation, and then you've got 120 characters there for you to document what it is that you did. So for example, you might say Fixed Core Web Vitals. You click on Add at the bottom here, and after a little bit of loading, you'll notice that it shows it down here. And all you now need to do is you just click on that and it will show you your comment. So that's how we add an annotation. Now, if you want to remove an annotation, you can just click on this rubbish bin icon at the top. And if you want to change the date, so I'll just show you this in case you're having trouble getting on the correct date because it's a little bit sensitive to your mouse movements. You can right click, add annotation, and you can actually use the date picker up here to select the date that you're looking for. Now, I'm currently filming this on the 23rd of November, and I can't select the 23rd or the 22nd of November, but there is a workaround for that I found if you want to document something that you have done on the same day that you do it. So what you need to do is click More, and under Custom, click on the end date, Open Calendar, and here you can select the current date. You can say, OK, apply. And then you'll see here, we're able to now right click, add annotation on the 23rd of November. I'll just show you that. So now you'll see that annotation has been added there. Now, as a completely white hat SEO that's never done link building or CTR or any of that sort of stuff, this ain't a problem for me because I don't even know what those things are. But if you do things that go against Google's guidelines, don't be putting it in your annotations, because you can guarantee they're going to be using that data to figure out which websites that they should be penalizing. So just don't put it in there. If you're building links, tier 2, CTR, whatever it is, just don't mention it and then they won't know. If you are doing it, which we're not. So it's okay for us, but I'm just saying if you do it, don't say it, okay? Just a little tip for you. Right, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment below, and I will see you in the next one.